Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our brand new 2024 Forest River Wolfpack, and this is the 345Pack14.5 toy hauler fifth wheel. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. Alright, up front you've got two compartments, one which holds your generator, and then you've got a battery and solar charge controller here along with your battery disconnect. All fiberglass exterior on the Wolfpack Platinums. Pass-through storage with tie-downs on this side. Outside shower, fresh water and city water connections along with a spray port and black tank flush. Power stabilizing jacks down below. Your sewer outlet with your black tank and gray water tank outlets are right there. It does have a fuel station, so your fuel fill is right in the corner there, along with your fuel pump. Prep for a backup camera. Assisted ramp door. And then you do have two full-size electric awnings with LED lights. Direct entry into the garage area with a nice assist handle here. Outside speakers. Another nice assist handle on your way up the Mooride fold-up steps. You do have outside kitchen here, which includes a 2-burner ice maker and refrigerator. And then here is the other side of that pass-through storage. As you walk in, you do have two bar stool seats. Nice U kitchen area with blue LED accent lighting above the cabinets here. And then you've got microwave, 3-burner, and oven down below. With a full-size stainless steel sink. Girard 12-volt refrigerator and freezer with a full-size pantry right next to it. Reclining theater seats. There's your TV area with a 5,000 BTU furnace. Fireplace. Does also have a forced air furnace. Storage up above. Then over here is your control panel along with your fuel gauge for your fuel station and a voltmeter for your battery, and your heated holding tank switch is also over there as well. There is a loft above the garage door for extra sleeping. And then this unit has a 14.5 foot garage. And it does have two bunk beds. That bottom bunk will come down and form a dinette if you need it. As you can see, there's tons of tie downs in this garage area for your toys. There is washer dryer prep back here, and they also do prep for a backup camera in the garage area so you can check on your toys if you'd like to add that. And then you do have a half bath back here with sink, toilet, and medicine cabinet. The rear garage does become a patio with railings. We'll head up to the bedroom area. So a master bathroom here. Nice neo-angle shower with two medicine cabinets. Big sink. There's also a fantastic fan. And then you have a wardrobe slide in the bedroom for extra clothing storage. And then this is equipped with a king bed. And you do have a spot for a TV right over in the corner there. There is an air conditioner up in the bedroom as well. And you do have nightstands with 110 plugins on each side. We'll do one more walk around here. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2024 Forest River Wolfpack 345Pack14.5, call or text at 218-740-4963. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.